Revelation, verse by verse, the Day of Atonement, July 2nd. The Last Remnant, Part 2. And the dragon was enraged with woman, and he went to make war with the rest of her offspring, who keep the commandments of God and have the testimony of Jesus Christ. Revelation 12, verse 17. How does a church have offspring? The Baptist Church, Methodist Church, Presbyterian, Lutheran, all existing denominations were born out of one faith, Christianity. They owe their beginnings to the truths uncovered in the Protestant Reformation. But note that the devil went after the rest, remnant in King James Version, of her offspring. So the devil is now targeting all the different Protestant denominations. He wants the remnant from them. After 1798, the Protestants who had fled to America underwent the Second Great Awakening, a period of intense religious interest which we have previously learned about. Protestants from all different denominations joined in this movement. But remember the great disappointment? After that day in 1844, most believers abandoned the movement. Recall, however, those who remained, a remnant, you might say. The remnant of Revelation 12 has two defining characteristics. First, they keep the commandments of God, the 10 Commandments. A Christian believes in the integrity of God's law, but it is the final events taking place in the time of the end that cause God's commandments to come to the forefront of the remnant's witness. And how appropriate it is, for the devil has been fixated on God's government since his rebellion in heaven. It is God's law that he wants nullified. Who else would he target but those who prize the thing he despises? Second, God's end-time remnant possesses a unique testimony or witness. Revelation 19 verse 10 sheds light on what the testimony of Jesus Christ is. It is the spirit of prophecy, the genuine manifestation of the prophetic gift in the true church, the pure woman of Revelation 12 verse 1. Prophets are God's messengers. Their messages, specific guidance for their present time, always affirm and confirm Bible truth. The commandments of God and the spirit of prophecy go hand in hand, like the law and the prophets. Matthew 22 verse 40. God's prophets uphold his eternal commandments, and history proves that this extraordinary coupling was what defines the remnant of the great disappointment. Alpha and Omega, may we have the experience of this last day remnant, proclaiming both the law and the prophets. For further study, 2 Chronicles 20 verse 20, Daniel 7 verses 21 and 22, Revelation 14 verse 12, Revelation 17 verses 3 to 5. Amen.